In this video, I will show you how to rearrange admin menu items in WordPress. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, you will see all the admin menu items like posts, pages, media, plugins, and settings. Now, WordPress does not allow you to drag and drop menu items by default, so we will use a free plugin to do this. Go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Admin Menu Editor. You will see the plugin in the results. Click Install now and then activate. After activation, go to Settings and click on Menu Editor. Now you will see all your admin menu items listed. You can simply drag and drop them to rearrange the order. You can also rename, hide, or disable menu items if needed. Once you are done, click Save Changes. Now refresh your WordPress dashboard and you will see your admin menu is rearranged according to your settings. That's it. This is how you rearrange admin menu items in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.